You watch many videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram where you see creators use aesthetic and attractive photos and videos in their background. What if you can clone their videos? I mean, just look at this one. Look, these videos are really cool. But how can you create these videos they are using? If you use their videos, then you have to face copyright issues. And you don't know where and how to get these videos. Don't worry. In this video, I will teach how you create any video or animation with the AI you watch of creators. This video will be so interesting. So watch till the end. It is a secret trick. And one thing is, it's free. So hit the subscribe button. If you grow one of yourself with AI, first select which background image or video you want to clone. For example, I chose this video because I really like it. First, take a screenshot of which part you want to make clone. Okay, now remove watermarks and other things. I hope you know it. Now it's time to recreate it. Go to Genmo. I hope you know this AI tools. I already made a tutorial on this tool on my channel, you can watch it. Okay, in this tool I found a hidden trick. Okay, open Genmo and sign up with your Google account. Now come to this interface. Here you can see the option of image. Now click on it and upload the image you choose to recreate the video. And here you can select duration, motion, and how many videos you want to make. Choose your own preference. And here you can select camera movement. Here is a new thing, you can add FX style to your video. I am not using it right now. Let's submit and wait for magic. Look, our clone video is ready. Now you can use this for any purpose. Let's create another one. Select the image. Now do the same thing and submit. Look, it's completely similar to our image. Now I will show you from YouTube. Go to YouTube and search which types of animation you want to make clones. I am looking for anime. Okay, I think it's pretty cool. Now I am taking screenshots of it. And now back to Genmo. Upload this image. Okay, look, it's close enough to the original one. You can recreate any video of any creators. I hope this video gives you value. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel because it's free. Thanks for watching.